Hello once again. Welcome to another presentation from me on the verb tense. In this presentation, I have just a question, just one question for everyone to, answer. And the question is, what are tenses? What are tenses? Now, when you are writing or speaking, the verb tense is what tells the reader or the listener when the action took place. Now, we have the basic form of a verb, which tells what the action is. And we also have the tense of the verb that tells when it happened. So the tense tells us when or what time that action happens. Okay? It could be in the present, the past, or the future. Now, it also tells whether the action is completed or progressing or continuing. All right? And again, it makes clear whether the action is connected to another action at another time. Okay? We are going somewhere. All right? Just stick around and listen carefully. Now, we mentioned the present simple, the past simple, and the future simple in our previous video. Let's see what the present simple, the past simple, and the future simple tell us. Now, for the present simple, it tells of an action that is performed, Okay? And the past simple tells of an action that was performed. Take note of the verb to be, is, and was. And the future simple tells of an action that will be performed. That is the future. So guys, stick around for the next video, and I'm going to be taking one after the other all the 12 components and more details on the category. Please send your comments, make your comments, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.